Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So my name is Uzair Imran, and I am a digital marketer. And today I would be like making a traffic campaign on Facebook ads, which is very important. So because this is a playlist of Facebook ads. So what is actually traffic? For example, if you just started a business and you want to increase the number of people, the number of visitors on your site, on your app, on your WhatsApp number, you want to increase the number of people who can call you on your WhatsApp business, for example. You can run a traffic campaign which aims to increases the campaign objective is to increase the number of traffic, the number of people on your website, on your app, as repeatedly I'm saying this. So we'll start with the objective. First we will choose the objective, which is traffic, and it aims to increase uh, the number of link clicks. For example, if there's a link with an ad and how many people are clicking that particular link is called link clicks. The landing page where the user is landing, where the prospect is landing after clicking that ad is the actual landing page. How many people are landing on that particular page which you have decided that people should land. Okay, so we would continue. It's taking some time to load. Okay, yeah. So the basic objective and the basic structure is like, firstly, there's a campaign level, there's an ad set level, and the ultimate level is the ad set level. You can the campaign can have like various ad sets and ads as well, and a single ad set can have multiple ads as well. So it totally depends on you how many ad sets you are adding to the campaign. But yeah, so this is it. And first we will change the name. This is totally subjective. You can keep the name whatever you want to. For example, lead campaign uh, test. Since it's a demo account, so I will be just keeping a test. Here are some specific categories. We would not go into categories. I have already explained this in previous videos. So campaign buying type is auction. Auction, I've explained what actually auction is. For example, your ad is placed in an auction, and if Facebook thinks your ad is like your ad should be shown to a specific user, uh, then Facebook will definitely show your ad. So yeah, so there used to be reach and frequency as well, but like Facebook has eliminated that buying type, so now it's only auction. So here we have already selected the traffic campaign objective. You'll see more options. If you want to set a campaign spending limit, you can definitely go for add a campaign spending limit. But now, since we are not uh, setting any campaign spending limits, so yeah, you can A/B test your campaign as well. But after this campaign is made, then only A/B test would be available. While making the campaign, A/B test wouldn't be available, but like you can enable it from here. Okay, for example, okay, so this used to be CEO campaign budget optimization, but now Facebook has changed the name and it's advantage campaign budget. For example, if you want to leave it up to the platform, the Facebook itself, how you want to spend your money, you can definitely set the daily budget, the lifetime budget, for example. It totally depends on you, but I wouldn't enable it because I want to have more control. Because in CDO, they said that you somehow lose control. But if you're running various campaigns, you can definitely go with C. It totally depends on what is good for you, what is performing for you. There's no one rule for everyone. So it totally depends on what is best for you and what fits best for you. So okay, so we would go to the headset level now. We can change the name, maybe ABC test. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here's the important part, the conversion location. Where it totally means where you want your prospects, the people who have clicked on your ad, should land on your website, for example. Sorry, okay, so if you want them to land on your website, you will choose the website option. If you want to make them land on the app, you can definitely choose the app option, the messenger option, the WhatsApp option. And for calls, you have to like select a specific number, and you can also make people call you your business number or any of your numbers. So the performance goal. Here are some goals. For example, if you want to maximize the number of landing page views, for example, you want uh, the maximum number of people to land to be your landing page. So you would choose this option, and if I go with this option, so my reach would definitely increase. Here you can see it is like Facebook, like it is given an estimate result of the like Facebook would saying that uh, the reach would be around like 5.9K to 17K, but since it's only the landing page views, many number of for example, like 50 number of people view something, but 20 of them would click, and maybe like 3 or 4 of them would convert, would actually buy. So this is how the marketing funnel goes: awareness, consideration, and conversion. But if I choose this option, maximize number of clicks, uh, you are actually optimizing. You are actually like telling the Facebook ads platform to maximize the number of clicks. You have the more number of clicks. For example, if you are aiming to maximize it, uh, the total aim and the total goal would be to make more number of link clicks. For example, if there's an ad and you have to make people click on that particular ad. There's a real estate ad, for example, you're selling real estate and you want to make people click on that particular ad and just go to the website or any landing page you have decided, it would only target that. But here are some, so like these are some primary goals for traffic. But if you want to achieve some other goals, you can definitely go for maximize daily number of views. For example, you have to reach 100 people per day. Facebook will try its best to reach 100 people per day, but it might ignore, not completely ignore, but it might ignore the link clicks option. It might not focus much on making people click or targeting those people who might click. So yeah, the other option is to maximize number of impressions. For example, if you want to maximize the number of impressions, reach and impressions is totally different, which I've explained in the previous videos as well. You can definitely choose this option. But for example, if you want to increase traffic, you can definitely go for the link clicks option. That totally depends on the business stage as well, how well established your brand is. So yeah, how Facebook will charge you, it will depend on the performance goal you are choosing. But as of now, with the link clicks, Facebook will charge us by the impression. The delivery type would be standard. Facebook will be uh, uh, like gradually and consistently spending our budget for the best possible results. Dynamic creative, and not activating them. The daily budget, for example, if like it's around, I would make it 3,000 rupees, part-time rupees. It's saying that you need to actually spend more than 14,000, but we would exclude it. It is our choice to spend how many you want to. You can set an ending date as well. You can schedule ads as well if you want. If I want to show my ads from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., I can choose this option, but since it's not available at this point of time. Okay, so now you can choose the number of the audience. You can either create a new audience, and you can either use a saved audience, which you might have previously like created in any of your previous campaign, but now yours like you want to use it. Okay, so we can create a lookalike and custom audience as well, which I will explain later. You can set date, age, like gender, just targeting. If I'm like targeting the real estate market, I would choose the real estate interest detailed targeting for more specific targeting. Okay, so I can exclude the audience as well. I can narrow down the audience as well. My current reach is around 99 max. Okay, so I can choose to enable the advantage period targeting as well. It would include and exceed the reach as well. But that's totally up to the placements. Where do you want to show your ads? I would go with maximum placements because I don't want to go with the way Facebook is telling me. I would choose only Facebook, no audience network, no messenger, no Insta, because I want to be specific. I want to target reads, only Facebook feeds. I wouldn't select reels, and there's a specific reason for that because I like no one would like people might go towards like clicking, but I think like reels and stories are mostly for like if you have a good video content. If I'm not going with video content, I wouldn't choose reels, and stories like there's questionable. The results are questionable. I'm not going with video in Steam because I do not have any video asset. I would be going with the static image or whatever I want to. I don't want to get into search result messages. Okay, so like this is just for your understanding. I Okay, so I can choose what mobile devices I want to target, what operating systems I want to target, iOS, Android, so brand reference stability, inventory filter. There's no inventory filter right now. I'm not posting anything wrong, so I wouldn't go into all these details. I don't want to exclude any content. So the final part is the ad, level. Let's change the name. Like test ad. I'm not going to partnership ad because this is something that, for example, if you're running for an if you're running an ad for a content creator. So this is all about that. My aim is to increase the traffic on my site. So there's nothing about the partners ad and also I would choose my Facebook page. Uh, Whatever page you will choose, the traffic campaign would be active for that particular page. Okay, if you want to like advertise it on Insta as well, you have to first connect your account to your Insta account to any business Insta account. So like since I'm not running any ads, so I will not choose Insta. I want to create an ad. I don't want to use an existing post. If for example, there's a post on your Facebook account already and like it's organic, but you want to convert it into a paid post, you can definitely use that particular post. But since I'm not using any existing post, I would go with the create ad option. Okay, so my choice is to like go with a single image or video. I will not be going with the carousels. I will not be going with the friction part as well. I would disable multi-advertisers. I've already explained this part. Okay, so I would choose the media here. I would not select any video. I would choose the media. I would add image. I would add any primary text. I can add like multiple text options, headline options. I can optimize text per person, for example. This is all about how Facebook will decide which person should be showed which part of headline and description. So my call to action would be uh, maybe like uh, learn more. Maybe that is a perfect CTA for a traffic campaign. So my destination would be website. For example, I'm using website. I would attach the URL of my website. There's no website, so I'm not attaching any URL right now. Okay, so the browsers would be around where people would want to go. I did not add any WhatsApp number here. I did not add any call in my personal number or my business number here. I will not go with these options. With these options, I would not add. I would not enable any languages option. My language would be just only English. Okay, so yeah. Tracking, I've already tracking. I would go with the website event, for example. If there's a pixel attached, if there's a pixel tracking code attached to my website already, I don't need to make any events here. But since the meta pixel is not active, it isn't showing any result. I just want to like target the events here. Otherwise, I would finally publish and done. So this is how the traffic campaign is made. The ultimate goal is to increase the traffic, as I said earlier. So I'll see you in the next video and keep watching my videos and do subscribe to this channel. That's all for now.